So today I will be unboxing the newest edition in the MI accessories, a Type-C USB cable available at decent pricing of 199 rupees. And here's the box pack. MI USB Type-C written over here. It is a 1 meter long cable, supports up to 3 amps of fast charging, and the MRP is printed as 299 rupees. Now let's cut through the seal and check the cable itself. So here it is, you can see the Type-C end here and a standard USB-A connection at the other end. The cable seems to be long enough, and the bill is also decent for the price it came in. Though it is not a braided one, and I might also have in sale of the braided one, but you need to pay extra for that. And this cable is a decent one with good pricing. So anyone looking for a Type-C cable, you can surely go for it. And that's all into this short video, guys. If you do end up liking the video, please consider subscribing and share the video. Stay healthy, stay safe.